Yeah. Clear enough for you? All right. Yeah. My niggas look mad. Y'all supposed to be happy on the screen. Y'all niggas look like y'all wanted me to stay in jail. Busters. Picture me rolling in my 500 Benz. I got no love for these niggas. There's no need to be friends. They got me under surveillance. I swear somebody can tell it. No, there's no being sold. But I ain't the one selling. Don't wanna be another number. I got a fucking gang of weed to keep them going under. The federalists wanna see me dead. Niggas put prices on my head. Now I got 2 rock dollars by my bed. I feed them lead. Now I'm released. How will I live? Well, God forgive me for all the dirt a nigga did. Be kids, one life to live. It's so hard to be positive when niggas shooting at your crib. Mama, I'm still thugging. The world is a war zone. My homies is inmates, and most of them dead grown. Full grown, following your man. Just dreaming on ways to put some weed inside the palms of my empty hands. Just picture me rolling, flossing the beans on the rings that isn't stolen. My dreams are sensing, my hopes are gone. I'm like a fiend that finally sees when the dope is gone. My nerves is wrecked, heart beating in my head is swollen. Thinking of the G's I'll be holding. Picture me rolling. Can you see me now? Move to the side a little bit so you can get a clear picture. Can you see it? Picture me rolling. Yeah, nigga. Hey, but peep how my nigga son do it. Guess who's back?
I got keys coming from overseas. Cost a nigga 200 G's. I'm a street commando, Nino, for example. This lavish lifestyle is hard to handle, so I got the floss cause I'm more like a boss player. Thug ready to be a woman layer. So many player haters imitate a steady swinging. Make me wanna start back banging. So I'm caught up in the game. Dress code change. Packing 40 Glocks to tame or rearrange. All that jealousy and envy coming from my enemies. While I'm sipping on green and running back Lexus Chevys on the road. 96 big body sitting no chrome. As we head up out the zone, stone facing his own. You can admire but don't look too long. I'm living a dream with triple beans and my pockets bulging. It's hard to imagine. Picture me rolling.
I got to get the fuck up in, formulate a cake, cause a nigga straight suffering from like I having paper. My bitch finna have a bad to see, so I need to hit a lick drastically. I see some bowling ass niggas and they slipping in my spot, and big in the pot, chicken in the pot.
We caught him sleeping, he didn't beat you niggas creeping. It's how we do it every weekend, I dump the man. The time I count the proper CPO, you got the bomb spot, nigga, time to clock it. I get the liquor, and you can get the females. The squeaky shit that we inflict and get the street sales.
Move smooth as a motherfucker, me and my night. I'm cool as a motherfucker, I'ma get mine. Now we satisfied. Got the pockets on swollen balls, hog in this pocket, nigga. Picture us a rope.
Y'all ready for me? Picture me rolling roll call. You know some motherfuckers out there I just could not forget about. I wanna make sure they can see me. Number 1 on my list, Clinton Correctional Facilities. All you bitch ass CEOs. Can you niggas see me from there? Ballin' on y'all punk ass. Picture me rolling, baby. Yeah. All the niggas up in them cell blocks. I told y'all niggas when I come home it's on. That's right, nigga. Picture me rolling. Oh, I forgot. The DA. Yeah, that bitch had a lot to talk about. Can the hoe see me from here? Can you see me, hoe? Picture me rolling. And all you punk police, can you see me? Am I clear to you? Picture me rolling, nigga. Legit. Free like OJ all day. You can't stop it. You know I got my niggas up in this motherfucker. Manu, Pain, Side, Mogro, Mobrain. Sad dog, sad. Can you picture us rolling? Can you see me on? Is y'all ready for me? We up out this bitch. Anytime y'all wanna see me again, rewind this track right here, close your eyes, and picture me rolling.